A single drop of water and the vast ocean are identical in their structure. They differ only in the lens we use to see them. By rapidly shifting our scale, we begin to see the hidden machinery of the world. Most of us view the ground beneath our feet as a massive, inanimate rock. But as we pull back to see the entire system, the planetary body reveals a more complex nature. The Earth operates as a massive biomolecule. Its spherical zero shape isn't a coincidence of physics. It is an active survival mode, a biological state of equilibrium designed to hold and protect life. Within this living entity, we are not the primary inhabitants. We are its microbiome, the humanobiome. But the relationship between the host and its microscopic inhabitants has reached a breaking point. The system is showing signs of distress. Driven by economic statistics and territorial jealousies, we have stopped functioning as a healthy symbiotic layer. Instead, we have triggered an autoimmune response where the microbiome begins to consume the very host that sustains it. To understand how to reverse this planetary decay, we have to look inward at the strict biological rules that govern a healthy organism. We must descend to the microscopic level, where the laws of survival are written in the behavior of our own cells. Every human life begins when two single cells unite, merging their entirely separate identities into one single shared purpose. From that one single point of origin, they rapidly divide into millions, then billions, forming specialized organs with distinct functions. In a healthy body, no two groups of cells behave the same way. They differentiate into unique roles. A nerve cell cannot act like a gland. A muscle cannot do the heart's work. Their total difference is their greatest strength. These cells live in a state of constant collaboration. They cannot mix, and they cannot switch roles, but they work for a single purpose: total difference, yet total cooperation. This symbiotic blueprint is the fundamental law of survival, not just for our bodies, but for the entire planet. If our very cells understand this law, why does human society struggle so deeply to follow it? Every child is born with an innate understanding of this connection, a vision of the world built on love, innocence, and sincerity. But as we grow, human-made constructs take over. Language, formal education, and books begin to compartmentalize our reality, replacing intuition with rigid logic. We are taught to look at our surroundings through our brains rather than our senses, losing the ability to see the symbiotic whole. We forget our microscopic purpose. We start to see our differences as reasons for conflict and jealousy, rather than the specialized tools needed for the planet's survival. This psychological shift is the moment the humanobiome mutates. We stop being a partner to the Earth and start becoming its infection. An autoimmune disease occurs when the body can no longer distinguish between its own healthy cells and an outside threat. Our modern geopolitical wars and economic frictions are the visible markers of this internal breakdown. When we fight one another, we are like white blood cells attacking the healthy tissue of the host, signaling a systemic failure to the planet itself. The Earth's zero shape is its ultimate defense mechanism. It will prioritize the survival of the planetary molecule over the survival of a toxic microbiome. To restore its equilibrium, the Earth will naturally trigger an immune response to flush out the disruption and reset its surface. Once the conflict is cleared, a fresh humanobiome will develop, a new iteration of humanity designed to live by the laws of symbiosis once again. If every microscopic structure is mirrored in the macroscopic, then this cycle isn't unique to us. The universe is likely filled with enormous Earth-like structures, each governed by these same biological imperatives. Our survival isn't a matter of conquest or technology. It is a matter of returning to our purpose, choosing to be the microbiome that helps the host thrive, rather than the one that forces it to fight back.